This was me, hustling in my world with a mix of up and down, sometimes lost and insecure. But I found an idea to renew my life. I call it living a hero's life. It's about getting out of my comfort zone to pursue interests that contributes to the greater good. So it strengthens my inner peace and expands my heart. Today, let's go with me to my hometown in Vietnam and make a happy vegetable garden. You ready? We do it. These are coriander seeds. The bamboo frame looks okay, but for the long run, it's not gonna be stable, especially after the rainy season. So today I decided to rebuild the frame. I have some neighbors supporting me. This is such a great work, but it's hard as well.
Fruit for you, for me. I know it takes more than one to give us food and oxygen, but together we can live long, and planet Earth will grow strong, strong.